Alright, so now we're going to solve some percent problems. This is Mrs. Hartman's way, and I use this method all the time. So this is a useful little organizer that helps you figure out where to put your numbers and to tell you when to multiply or when to divide. So let's take a really easy proportion, like 25 over 100 would be 25%, right? So the way we would fill that in here, the part is 25, the whole is 100, and the percent as a decimal is 25%. Okay? Now if we were missing any one of these, the way this works is you just cover up with your hand whatever you're missing. So if we were missing the part, if we knew it was 25% and the whole was 100, we would cover up the 25%, or the part. Cover up the whole to find the 100, cover up the percentage. Now if I cover up the part, I multiply these two numbers. If I cover up the percentage, I would divide these two numbers, part over the whole. If I was looking for the whole, but I knew the part and knew the percent, I would divide these two numbers. So when they're set up like this, you divide. Set up like this, you multiply. Okay? Now, you're going to want to draw this each time and make sure you have to label it correctly. You have to have part as the top part of your triangle there. So, I'm going to put a couple of these here. I'm going to put one of these for each problem. Alright, so you should draw those for each problem as well. Alright, so actually get in the habit of drawing those in. So now we have, what is 15% of 30? So this is the whole, so 30. We have the percent, 15% as a decimal. We move the decimal 2 places, so that's 0.15. So this is what we're looking for. So we multiply 0.15 times 30. And that gives us 4.5. So 4.5 is 15% of 30. 30% of what number is 45? So we have the percentage. We're going to move the decimal over, give this a 0.3, or 0.30, 0.3 is the same thing, of 30% of what number? So that would be of the whole. That's what we don't know. And then the part is 45. So 45 divided by 0.30 gives us 150. Alright, so that would be the whole. What percent of 90 is 18? So we don't know the percentage, so that's our unknown. The whole is 90, and the part is 18. So that would just be 18 over 90, which is 0.2. To get that as a decimal, or get that as a percentage, move it 2 places. So that gives us 20%. Alright, so your U-tries are very similar. If you like the other way, or you want to see the other way, go ahead and watch Mrs. Hartman's video, and I'll see you next class.